In the heart of the lush forest, an emaciated fox wanders, his ribs stark against his thin frame. Driven by gnawing hunger, the desperate fox sniffs at the ground. He has not eaten all day, his body weakened by relentless hunger. The sun beats down mercilessly, intensifying his discomfort. Each step is a testament to his will to survive. The forest provides no relief, only shadows that mock his empty belly. Amidst the sun-drenched vineyard, a fox wanders, his senses overwhelmed by the sight of ripe grapes. The plump grapes hang like jewels, glistening, their sweet scent intoxicating the air. The fox's eyes widen, desire igniting within him as his mouth waters at the tempting fruit. Driven by hunger, the fox leaps, his paws reaching for the elusive grapes. Frustration mounts as the grapes remain just beyond his grasp, a tantalizing prize forever out of reach. In the sun-kissed vineyard, a fox circles, his gaze fixed on a tempting bunch of grapes high above. He leaps and stretches, each attempt to reach the grapes ending in frustration. Panting heavily, his initial excitement fades, replaced by a growing desperation. Defeated, he walks away, casting one last glance back at the unattainable grapes. Those grapes are probably sour anyway.